It's like a there's no trees or what. It's just flat, empty, like a hacienda. And there they I think they're building something big. Because my grandmother have a 16 hectares there, and then they go to see, yeah, other people see it, because one, I think there's some company want to buy it. They building a, how do you call that, tower. I don't know what called that tower. I don't know what's that tower for the internet, I think. This one also, my house. There's one company asking me if they can put on top my building the tower. Oh, it's a internet, but I worry about the radiation. Yeah, I worry about the radiation if they put onto the how do you call that, rooftop, and it's heavy. The tower, internet tower, and the radiation. And they said that I have free Wi-Fi, and then of course there's a tower, a lot of people connecting, and then they have more space for the big internet, far from the houses. See that? So many big truck, maybe more than 100 truck pass by every day. Yeah, especially in the morning, like so early, maybe I'm still sleeping, 3-4 a.m. like that. They go to the site and then they come back before 9. Oh, see, it's already 9. They only working because the weather is so hot, and then they're working. They maybe they prefer to work. That's why a lot of people wake up at 3 a.m. to preparing to go, to go to work, and then my mother also come back at 10 because the weather is hot. Yeah, it's good to work at 3, 4, 5. It's still cooler, but then around 9, then start the weather is so hot, so all the people already come back home before 9 or 10. How are you? I'm good. Yeah. Yeah, our president is doing great, because now so many people have work already. A lots of projects they building. Yeah, I can see. We have the biggest solar system in the Philippines is in my hometown. Yeah, the biggest solar system in the Philippines. That's the first building. My name is Ron. I am from. Hello, Ron. Oh, that's the first solar system built in the Philippines. It's in my hometown. Only 10 minutes from my. Now, I think other city also building like Pangasinan, Nueva Ecija, it's growing. Solar system now is biggest in the Philippines. 2022. Yeah, I'm the first to have a solar in here. 2022 I have the solar to the rooftop. That's the first solar in here. And then I posted before. And then more people know about solar. The one they open when the is it December or not? I forgot. Oh no, not December. I think is it January? January, February the opening. The biggest solar. I can't remember the month already, but it's new, just this year. Yeah, I think February. I think the mother come up. My name is yeah, I read already. Thanks for tapping your screen, guys.